Hey friend, welcome back to the channel. As we head into Thanksgiving tomorrow, I want to slow things down just for today and invite you to reflect, not from a place of pressure or comparison, but from ownership, gratitude, and truth. This past year has been big for many of us. Some wins, some lessons, some stretching moments, some breakdowns that turn into breakthroughs. And as we go into a season where everyone rushes, I want to carve out a moment to breathe, reflect, and honor the growth that happened inside your life, even the parts that didn't look pretty at first. Why reflection matters. We rush so fast that we forget what we survived, what we built, what we healed, and what we created. Gratitude isn't about pretending everything was perfect. It's about recognizing what strengthened you, what shaped you, and what set you up for the next chapter. And this year, one theme stood out to me more than anything else. That's ownership. Not the cute version, not the Instagram version, real ownership, the kind that puts you back in control of your time, money, choices, and direction. The big lesson in ownership. What stood out the most for me this year was owning more of my business, more of my time, more of my platforms, more of my income, and more of the way I show up online. Online business doesn't work when you're dependent on one algorithm, one income stream, one person, or one platform. Ownership means I choose where my income comes from. I choose the way I build. I choose what I'm available for. I choose my growth pace. I choose my profits. And the deeper I stepped into ownership this year, the more everything else expanded. Confidence, clarity, income, audience, reach, creativity. Ownership pays you in ways money can't even measure. What are you grateful for this year? Ask yourself, what moment shaped me? Who poured into me? What lesson shifted? Something inside me. What did I do this year that the version of me from last year prayed for? What did I survive that taught me strength? What decision changed my direction? And the biggest, where did I take ownership this year and where do I want to take more? The digital business shift. Inside the online space, one truth became louder and louder. People crave control. Control of their schedule, control of their income, control of their future. And that's why I'm grateful not just for what I learned, but for the digital business model that lets me build with autonomy. No gatekeepers, no approvals, no asking permission, just pure ownership. Turnkey flow and why it matters. One of the tools I'm most grateful for this year because it helps real people step into real ownership is turnkey flow. It's for the person who wants to build something real without reinventing the wheel, without drowning in tech, without waiting 6 months to launch, and without giving up ownership of what they build. Turnkey Flow gives you a business you own, skills you own, traffic you can control, a digital system that frees you, not traps you, and a pathway to profit without guessing. And yes, there are flexible payment plan options because ownership should be accessible, not stressful. The next year is yours if you decide it. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need more time. You don't need permission. You just need a green light, and I'm giving it to you right now. You're creating a new normal, one where you own your income, one where you build with intention, one where you don't settle for the same year on repeat. If you've been looking for a way to step into real ownership with a system that's ready, simple, and designed for everyday people, building powerful online businesses, Turnkey Flow is open. And yes, the flexible payment plan options are available so you can start now without pressure. Give yourself the green light. Whether you join today or you're soaking this message in, just know this. I'm grateful for your growth, for your courage, for your desire to build something bigger. Happy Thanksgiving and cheers to your next level. Until next time, peace.